Hello friends, how are you? I am Pushpata Srivastav. Many of you know me as your friend, as your principal, as your administrator, manager, but I want you people to know me by as a good human being, because when I leave the world I want to be remembered as a good human being only. Well, that's not the thing I'm going to discuss today. I wish to share my life experience with you people. Every day I come across many of the motivational videos. Yes, they are good enough. They motivate us to do something good, something new. It talks about success. I want to know about success. What is success? Because when we go through all these videos or the books or the literatures, everybody has defined the word success in his or own way. And it differs from person to person. If you ask a laborer what is the meaning of success to him, by the end of the day, if he has got his daily wage, the amount that he has thought when he left the home in the morning, to him it is a success for him. To a student, if he gets a good marks in his report card and tops the result, he thinks he has succeeded. To an actor, if his film comes out as blockbuster, he thinks he has succeeded. To a person who is struggling hard in his career, if he achieve a good job, a designation, and is comfortable with that job, he thinks that now is the time that he has started earning what he wanted to. He tells others, I have succeeded in my life. So, what actually is success? If you go on defining it, many meanings will come. Have you ever thought what really is success? When you leave the world, we have come here. It's like a stage to us. We all are actors, and for some time only, we remain here. We do a part. No audience to give a big round of applause. Yeah, we come across people in our life who sometimes puts their hand on our back and tells us, good, excellent, you performed well. Now, is that success? What is success really? And what is motivation? Well, my dear friends, today I just wanted to interact with you, and in the coming videos we will be talking about many of the common topics, common things for which the lecturers, the professors, and other intellectual people talk about on different stages. We are also going to discuss in our own way. Well, I'll take the things from the ground level. Be with me. Maybe we will learn more about these things. I won't define my videos as, I won't define myself also as a motivational speaker. No, I don't want to be stuck to a frame. I don't want to be framed in such and such. Like Pushpalata Srivastav, the motivational speaker. No, not at all. Because sometimes we are going to laugh, we are going to enjoy, we are going to learn, we are going to talk about. Let's see if I can share and I can make you a better person, a human being. Because if you ask me, whatever you do, wherever you do, in the manner you do, the track you choose, if you are really satisfied in doing that, at the end of the day, when you sit back and take a deep breath before going to bed, if you feel that this particular day I have done something different or something that has made me satisfied, that is called the real living. If you ask me, I'm not going to criticize anybody, I'm not going to take the thoughts of others in my videos. And if you feel like being with me, join me. Thank you for today. Thanks.